Welcome to Law Logical, your go-to channel for understanding the basics of law. Our mission is to empower the general public by making complex legal concepts simple and accessible. Whether you're curious about your rights, seeking clarity on legal matters, or just want to be more informed, you're in the right place. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly videos that break down the law, one topic at a time. The Consumer Protection Act was first introduced in 1986, marking a significant milestone in safeguarding consumer rights in India. This legislation aimed to provide an accessible platform for addressing consumer grievances. But why was it needed? The 1980s saw a growing need for a framework to protect consumers from unfair practices and to establish clear rights, such as the right to safety, information, and redress. Fast forward to 2019, the Consumer Protection Act underwent a major overhaul. With the rise of e-commerce and digital transactions, the new act needed to adapt to modern consumer behavior. The 2019 Act expanded its scope, covering not only traditional offline buyers, but also those purchasing online, ensuring comprehensive protection in the digital age. At its core, the Consumer Protection Act outlines several key rights for consumers: right to safety, protection against hazardous goods and services, right to information, accurate details about products, right to choose, access to a variety of products at competitive prices, right to redress, mechanisms to address grievances, right to be heard, assurance that consumer interests are considered. These rights are enforced through a three-tier system of consumer courts, district, state, and national commissions, designed to make justice accessible to everyone. A significant addition in 2019 was the establishment of the Central Consumer Protection Authority, or CCPA. This body has the power to investigate violations, prosecute offenders, and even order the recall of unsafe products. In today's digital era, the CCPA plays a crucial role in monitoring and penalizing misleading advertisements, ensuring that what you see is what you get. The Consumer Protection Act has had a profound impact on how businesses operate in India. Companies must now adhere to stricter guidelines to ensure the safety and accuracy of their products and services. This is particularly important in the digital space, where e-commerce platforms must be transparent about sellers, return policies, and redressal mechanisms. Despite the robust framework, challenges remain. One of the biggest hurdles is the low awareness of consumer rights, especially in rural areas. Additionally, accessing justice can be difficult due to the inefficiencies in consumer courts and the complexity of legal procedures. These barriers highlight the need for ongoing reforms and greater outreach to ensure that every consumer, regardless of location or socioeconomic status, can exercise their rights. The Consumer Protection Act is a powerful tool, but its true strength lies in enforcement and awareness. As consumers, it's essential to know your rights and demand accountability. Together, we can create a fair and transparent marketplace for all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember, as a consumer, your rights are your power.